Welcome to 13 Most Beautiful Places in Serbia. In this video, we will be showcasing the mesmerizing beauty of Serbia, from its enchanting landscapes to its fascinating cultural sites. Get ready to embark on a virtual tour that will leave you spellbound. Before we begin our adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a chance to join us on our global escapades. Now, let's pack our bags and get started. Number 1. Belgrade. Serbia's capital and largest city, Belgrade, is a vibrant metropolis known for its rich history and dynamic atmosphere. Explore the charming streets of the old town, visit the iconic Belgrade Fortress, and immerse yourself in the city's lively nightlife scene. Number 2. Zlatibor. Nestled in the heart of Serbia, Zlatibor is a serene mountain region that offers breathtaking views of rolling hills, lush meadows, and pristine lakes. Enjoy hiking and skiing in the winter or simply unwind in the tranquility of this picturesque destination. Number 3. Nis. Discover the historical treasures of Nis, a city with a rich past dating back to Roman times. Explore the impressive Mediana archaeological site, visit the iconic Nis fortress, and wander through the vibrant streets lined with charming Ottoman-era buildings. Number 4. Đerdap National Park. Đerdap National Park is a true natural wonder, located along the flow of the mighty Danube River. Marvel at the striking Đerdap Gorge, hike through lush forests, and encounter diverse wildlife as you explore this captivating national park. Number 5. Novi Sad. Known for its lively music festivals and charming architecture, Novi Sad is a cultural gem in Serbia. Visit the impressive Petrovaradin Fortress, stroll through the picturesque streets of the city center, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this cultural hub. Number 6. Tara National Park. Tara National Park is a true paradise for nature lovers. From its deep canyons to its dense forests, this majestic wilderness offers endless opportunities for hiking, biking, and enjoying breathtaking views from scenic viewpoints. Number 7. Discover the architectural beauty of Subotica, a city known for its stunning Art Nouveau buildings. Take a stroll through the city center, visit the iconic synagogue, and admire the intricate facades that make Subotica a unique destination. Number 8. Kopaonik. Kopaonik is Serbia's premier ski resort, offering thrilling slopes for winter sports enthusiasts. Experience the adrenaline rush of skiing or snowboarding, enjoy cozy mountain chalets, and take in the stunning panoramic views that surround this winter wonderland. Number 9. Sremski Karlovci. Indulge in the flavors of Serbia's wine region, Sremski Karlovci. Sample exquisite wines, visit charming vineyards, and explore the quaint streets of this historic town. Let the beauty and taste of this wine paradise enchant you. Number 10. Golubac Fortress. Transport yourself to the medieval era with a visit to Golubac Fortress. Admire the impressive fortress walls, immerse yourself in the history of this strategic stronghold, and enjoy breathtaking views of the Danube River from this fascinating architectural marvel. Number 11. Palic. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life and retreat to the peaceful sanctuary of Palic. Experience the therapeutic properties of the Palic Lake, explore the charming Art Nouveau buildings, and unwind in the tranquility of this serene spa town. Number 12. Ofkirkabler Gorge. For a truly awe-inspiring natural spectacle, head to the Ofkirkabler Gorge. Admire the towering cliffs, lush vegetation, and winding river as you navigate through this breathtaking gorge, which is often referred to as Serbia's Colorado. Number 13. Smederevo Fortress. Our final stop is the magnificent Smederevo Fortress, one of the largest medieval fortresses in Europe. Explore the impressive walls, visit the royal palace, and delve into the history of this architectural masterpiece that overlooks the Danube River. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through the 13 most beautiful places in Serbia. We hope you enjoyed the breathtaking sights and gained a deeper appreciation for the natural and cultural wonders of this incredible country. Thanks for joining us today on this exciting journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel content. And as always, leave us a comment down below with your favorite destination or any other travel recommendations you have. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Safe travels, everyone.